How to achieve WhatsApp chat? What does achieve means on WhatsApp? Achieving a chat hides it from your main chat list without deleting it. You can still access it later and restore it anytime. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Here, you can long press the chat you want to achieve and tap the achieve icon at the top, a box with a downward arrow. Tap it to achieve the chat. The chat will disappear from the main list and move to the achieve section at the top or bottom depending on the setting. You can tap achieved to open the chat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.